show you how to set a custom paper size for a file in the Pages app. First, we have to open up the app till it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on File, then we click on Page Setup, and here we have paper size. We click on this. Here we have a list from which we can select, but at the bottom we have Manage Custom Sizes, and here we can add a new size. Let's say we want to have 500 by 700 layout with 20mm borders on each side, like this. We click on OK and set it up as landscape, and then this is our page. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.